afternoon, class. So, okay, before we start our topic today, we'll having a short prayer. Okay. Okay. So, based in the picture given, what did you see? Okay. Very good. So, what is the use of USB? Okay, very good. It is the not to store or to store a document or a files. So, based on the picture given, what do you think is our topic for today? Okay, about storage. Okay, very good. Topic for today is all about storage device or storage media. But before that, we read first the objectives. So, students, please read the objectives.
At the end of the lesson, I can define what is storage of primary storage media with a way to understand storage solution for the studies. And lecture is the important aspect of education.
Okay. Storage devices are used to store data and instruction permanently. Storage devices are also called secondary storage device. So we have a primary storage, secondary storage, tertiary storage, and offline storage. So the first one is primary storage. Primary storage are also known as main memory. Main memory is directly or indirectly connected. No, pwede siya direct or indirect connect to the central processing unit via memory bus. The CPU continuously reads instructions, so there are executive them are required. So the example or include of primary storage are RAM, ROM, and cache. So, di ba, makita man yung nasa ako kasagaran sa cellphone na siya, di ba? Yes. So, are we clear? So, let's proceed. The second is secondary storage. It is not directly accessible by the CPU. Computers usually uses it input or output. Channel to access secondary storage and transfer the desired data using intermediate or primary store. So, the example is hard disk and internal or external. Secondary storage ay non-volatile storage used to store data permanent even in the computer is turned off. No, pwede siya even turn off ang iyong CPU or computer is pwede siya gamit. So, example kanina, hard disk drive or solid state drive or SSDS or optical disk. So, the characteristics of secondary storage, slowly than primary storage but offers larger capacity. Slowly lang siya sa primary storage but it's wide range capacity and essential for long-term data retention. If gusto mo og long-term data retention, we can use secondary storage. So, the third one is tertiary storage. Tertiary storage, typically it involves robotic mechanism which mode or insert at this mode removal mass storage via into storage devices. It a comprehensive computer storage system that is usually very slow. It usually used to acquire data is not accessed frequently. This is primarily useful for extraordinary large data store access with human operators. No, the example is magnetic tape and optical disk. So tertiary storage, the characteristic is high capacity lang siya cost sa gigabyte. And then slower access time. It deals for infrequently accessed data. So magili ko siya convenience, no? Yes. So the last one is offline storage. So offline storage, also known as disconnected storage. It's a computer data storage in a medium of device that is not under the control of processing unit. So wala na siya labos sa CPU or processing unit, na siya sa kanang gawas bitaw. It is must inserted or connected by a human operator before a computer can access it again. So the example of these are floppy disk, zip disk, USB flash drive, and memory card. No, USB flash drive. Bastong gi-present ang ganina. Mo to siya yung mga gina-use bitaw nga external bitaw siya nga pwede ang human or a person lang mo operate to inject the or insert no the storage device. So, did you understand, class?
Yes.
Okay, so, any questions?
That's all for
And so far? Okay, so, let's proceed. So, since there's none, we have an assessment. So, number one, test one, identification. So, direction in a one whole sheet of paper, answering the following. So this assessment, you can answer it in online class via Google Meet, and I will send it to you for more convenience. Are we clear? Okay, so this is the test one and test two essay. Test two essay. In your own opinion, how important are those devices in the educational basis nowadays? Are we clear? Okay, so that's all for today's discussions. Goodbye, class.